Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and let me show you how much I am loving this case for my Kindle. I absolutely love this case by Youngme. I love the sleek white design. It feels really good in your hands. It's kind of like a matte feel to it, and it has those grips on the side which prevent you from slipping and dropping it. It really helps your Kindle to feel super protected. The cutouts are perfect. It's so easy to snap on and take off if you need to. It really feels super sleek and slim, and I really love that because I love the sleek design of the Kindle in general. So this just feels like a second skin for it. It fits so snug and it really feels amazing. I love it. It also comes with everything you need to protect the screen. Comes with a screen protector that is super simple to put on and use, and then you know that your Kindle is protected front and back. And I really think that's a great feature that it comes with that. That's so helpful. It protects your Kindle from scratches or dents. If you're dropping it or maybe you put it in your bag, it's really, really helpful so that you can bring your Kindle on the go or even just around the house, know that it is protected. It looks so good. I've been using this case every single day and I absolutely love it. I love how it looks, I love how it feels, and I love how it just has a seamless look with my Kindle. I love this Kindle case, and that's my point of view.